A love for Mexican Kai took multi-talented husband and wife team Sarah and Otis Brazil on a new journey creating the Lucky Taco truck, meal kits and delicious products. Today, I'm lucky enough to have Sarah and our tamariki on taco duty. Kia ora Sarah, no mai, hoki mai.
Kia ora Stacey, hi guys, nice to meet you.
Ko Hawaii ki tēnei, ko kura waka tēnei. Engari kāre tuati tēnā kai te tino rata wēnei tamariki ki tēnei kai. They love their taco. I wouldn't say that mine is sort of right up there with your level though.
I don't know, I'm feeling the pressure today, Stace.
Engari he māma tonu, it is nice and easy, a perfect thing to do with kids, right?
Yes, super easy for kids, and it's not too spicy, it's only spicy if you put the hot sauce on.
Ka pēnā kōrua, ka maia kōrua, we're going to be brave over here.
Yeah.
There's one word that you might hear a lot, kaka, that means hot.
Hot, I like that, that's a new one for my vocabulary.
So tell us about these amazing dishes.
So today we're making Chipotle chicken tacos. So that's just chicken thighs marinated with like soy, lime, achiote. And then we've got our spicy avo cream, which we'll be making with avocado, yogurt, a little bit of Lucky Taco hot sauce. What else have we got? Then shredded red cabbage, salsa verde, which is a green salsa with tomatillos, pumpkin seeds, roasted garlic, coriander.
E toru pea ngā hatepe, maybe about 3 different steps, so 3 different ingredients we're making to put in this world's most amazing taco.
Yeah.
Okay, ka tīmata ki hea, ka pai kōrua ki tēnā? Ready to go?
All right, so we'll start with the avocado nipple. Take that off.
Oh, hi, Sarah, look at your knife technique. You're freaking me out.
Oh, God, no, you know what? It's like, woo, there you go. And meat it back round, give it a little twisteroo. That's beautiful.
We might do this on the bench here, rather than in your hand.
No, we don't want any avo injuries.
And a hoodie here. Oh, God, look at it, the strength. So now we have to get this out without hurting ourselves.
Well, that's a great technique which Ruth Alegria, our Mexican tutor, taught us when we were in Mexico. You go like that and twist, and it comes out.
Mahi tahi taua?
But that one's a little bit firmer, so it might be hard.
Skip, skip, skip.
It is hard, isn't it? I can feel it's firm.
Oh,
And you can freeze this avo cream mix when it's done as well.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, because they are expensive and you don't want to waste them.
So that's a good plan if you do that when they are $3 for $5, and then you ka whakamahia or ka whainga i te wao te hotoke, and then in winter, still have that green gold.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I'll get some yogurt. I'm going to put some in yours.
That's Greek yogurt, is it?
Just natural yogurt. And then just mash it in with a fork. You can do this in a food processor, but just mash it on a plate like that and then just put it into a bowl. Are you ready for the next step? You're going to zest half of this in. Do you want to do that?
Mahi nui tēnā Hawaii ki mohi o koe me
Use this guy. It smells amazing. Yeah, you just want that top layer of green. Nice.
It's a face.
Oh, I'm Guy.
Oh, he looks like Nacho Libre.
He is a Mexican wrestler. A little bit of chili salt. This has got lemon and lime in it as well, so it's a bit zingy.
I toa tēnei to te kakane. This chili salt actually won a big award.
It has, it has. So the 2018 World Hot Sauce Awards in America. Oh, I'll tell you what we forgot, just a tiny splash of actual lime juice as well.
Right.
Nice.
Kia i tine. Whakamātau ria? Ana, whakamātau.
Hereka.
Hereka. How tātou mahi nei, so what are we on to now?
So next we're going to make the salsa verde. We're going to toast some pumpkin seeds because it kind of brings out the flavour. I brought this along today, which is all the way from Mexico. Ooh. It's called a comal, and it's just a traditional Mexican cooking plate. It's really good for roasting peppers, garlic, chilies, and cooking your tortillas on because they cook really quickly. And then can you pass me 4 garlic cloves, please?
Have a chain gang going on.
Production line. So we're going to pop these on the comal, but you can just do them in a pan.
You don't even need to take the skin off.
No, you want to keep the skins on until they're charred. This, you can probably hear them start to crack a little bit.
Pako, everything's popping.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey, te piki piki hoki.
So these are good. So you just see that they're nice, they've just got a brown on and they're still popping. So we're just going to take a teaspoon of these, pop it into our little soon-to-be delicious salsa. So now we need a cup of tomatillos. You can use fresh, if you can find them. Beautiful.
Nā reira, haha wene, he whanaunga ki te tomato. Are they like tomatoes or they're green tomatoes?
They are like tomatoes. They're like a sour, they've got a soury taste. So just put that coriander, let's put that in. And then what else do we need? Lime juice. So we just want 10 mils. Then we just want a little bit of this. It's got to be spicy, salsa verde. What else? We need a bit of salt.
Is this quite a sort of taboo thing that you always have to have these ingredients, or have you freestyled a little bit?
But you can freestyle. You can put anything in. I mean, you can. We make a red salsa as well. So this is super hot now. You kind of want to let it cool down a little bit. Then just peel off the blackened skin. That just adds to all the nice flavour.
He pai ki au tēnei momo whiako, I think it's good for kids to have experience. No Mexico tēnei kai, you know, it's a different food, and then in the process of doing it, we do things like try lime.
Yes, whole limes, like the sourness. It's good. So we're nearly, yeah, and it's dead easy, and it's great easy food. It's sharing food, which is kind of nice. It's good for parties.
Oh, tino pai. Okay, kei te pirangi tēnei, so we want this?
We want that, and just a little bit of cracked black pepper to go in.
Kai te aha koe. Kei Hawaii ki te wā.
Oh, yeah. Stand back. Oh, that looks good. It smells good. Let's have a little taste, thank you.
Oh, kawa.
It's beautiful. So it should be tangy and sour and a bit spicy, a bit salty.
Panika whai awe tōku.
Everything is awesome.
It's awesome. It's got a good kick. Good heat level, all right?
Yep.
Yes.
It's good spicy.
O ka tukuna tēnā ki te okone, so that goes in a bowl, and that's another part ready.
Yep, that's another part ready.
Ka piti nei nei ne, so on the cabbage.
Onto the cabbage. So we're just gonna blitz this up. So just chop some pieces like that. So then pop it in, so yeah, pop it in there. Press the auto button on the front. Well, that's right, and then push down. Nice.
Whoa. Pa reka reka ne, Waiki, it's quite fun. Oh, titiro, Waiki, pai tō mahi. You have to think about ngā tai, the colours, and how it is actually part of the experience.
It is. It's like a party in your mouth.
Ka aro tātou ki te hei nei nei. Are we on to the chicken?
Got our chicken here, our Chipotle chicken, all marinated.
Nā reira, I tuku noa koe tō ake ranu ki roto, so you put it in your Chipotle sauce, did you?
It's not our Chipotle hot sauce, it's just blitzed Chipotles, lime, achiote. So it's just super simple, but delicious. So I'm just gonna put a bit of oil in the pan and just make sure the pan is hot first before you put the oil in. So just do like a bit at a time. That's what you want to hear. 6 minutes is good, 3 minutes each side. See how that's getting a nice brown on it?
Pai te ahua ne, that looks amazing.
Yeah, it's looking pretty groovy. We could start doing the tortillas. So we pop it on here.
Nā korua wena, so are they your tortillas?
Yes. See, now it's got that golden brown around the edges, and then it should kind of puff up in the middle, and we're good to go. So now we're gonna build a lucky taco. I would start with the avo cream, do a smear of that, because then your meat sticks to the tortilla. Yeah, that's it. A good, like, stripe.
I had the hei.
Look at this, look at the skills here.
Ooh.
We've got a new taquero on our hands.
He kapatike roto. We've got some cabbage in there.
Bit of salsa verde.
Ai, tuku ki roto.
Right.
Quite hungry. I'm actually really quite hungry now.
I am too. Nā reira. Woohoo.
All right, and I'm gonna have to go a bit crazy.
Oh, we already have one verdict. He hatai?
Good. Oh, awesome. Happy.
Reka, another word for you there.
Lekker. That means tasty, right? Yes, I learnt that one.
Sweet.
Cheers, guys.
Oh my goodness.
Cheers.
Te kanu he Waiki, look at Waiki. Pai ne Waiki. He just about inhaled it all in one. Oi, kōrero mo te rahi o te waha. Oh my gosh, that chicken.
Good, right?
Delicious. It's just the perfect mix.
Happy.
Honestly, this is next level. You can taste the kaunga, the quality, and just always get those flavours just right. Pai hoki, pai kia kōrua. Mihi nui tahi rua tori wha, kia ora.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.